All right, it's your boy, Everything Apple. Pray for these phones because we're about to destroy them. And Machine Gun Keaton, let's go overboard. Let's destroy these bad boys. This is the first time I'm ever collaborating, so work with me. And what an exciting subject. The Samsung Galaxy S10, its 10th year anniversary today.
So what we're doing is finally collaborating on a durability test. We're going to be doing a drop test between the iPhone XS Max, of course,
and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's dig in, take a look at these bad boys. And yeah, as you can see, we went a little bit overboard, but our mistake is for the benefit of you guys. We're gonna be doing a giveaway as a part of this video. 5 Galaxy S10 Pluses.
Yeah, 5 Galaxy S10 Pluses. Giveaway will last 2 weeks. Everything you need to know is in the description below. Really easy, just subscribe to both channels and make sure you're following both of us on Instagram, Phone Rebel, TechSmartt, and you're all set. Like the photo too, comment on there.
And this is separate from the Aaron one with Mr. Who's a Boss, just so you guys know. 5
new phones we actually have in hand. We got them early. These things come out on March 8th, so you'll have them basically right before everyone else gets them.
Anyways,
that's in green. There's 4 colors. Whoa,
that's beautiful.
It looks like a blue.
That is beautiful.
You guys
I like
know
that
what
a lot.
an iPhone XS Max looks like.
I did not get to see this color at the pre-briefing, and we got it early. Cool.
It survived.
Get it out of here. All right, so basically what we're doing is, of course, the customary drop test. This is Samsung's most durable device ever. In fact, this could be one of the most durable phones on the market right now with Corning Gorilla Glass 6. And the specs are basically 15 drops from 1 meter, 3.3 feet, survived all of them. That's what Corning says.
Compared to the iPhone XS Max, which has dual ion glass, I mean, we've both done drop tests before.
Yeah, they're pretty durable.
We know what to expect, but we don't know what to expect with the S10 and really the S10 Plus.
Yeah, that's gonna be an exciting one. So
6.4-inch screen. Imagine if you break this $1,000 phone. Like, how would you feel? Also,
honestly.
Checking out the features. This is Samsung's first phone with the Infinity O display.
I'm a little scared for this. If you were to drop it here, would that affect the drop?
We should definitely test that.
Yeah. All right, let's get them set up and let's start. Damn, this thing is sleek.
A big thing a lot of you might think is I'm really short and Philip's really tall, but actually it's the other way around. I'm actually around 6'3". How tall are you?
5'11".
5'11", and why this matters is how we're going to be dropping it and from what height. So we're going to be keeping it even by going from
about right here, yeah.
The pin, or like the little rivet on our pants.
Honestly, I'm so afraid to drop this. It's so like beautiful.
Every time we do these, don't you ever feel like, why?
Terrible, terrible. Honestly, like if you guys think that I enjoy doing this, I don't. I really hate, but I want to know how durable it is.
But we know you like watching it. And that's why you're here. All right.
Here we go. So waist height. So this is where most people are probably going to be dropping their phones from. And we're just going to give it a corner drop. 3, 2, 1. First S10 drop. Flawless. Well, we've got some plastic. I'll take that off, but I doubt that'll help much.
Now for the iPhone XS Max with the dual IONX glass. I mean, these things, we know how they fare.
Just for reference.
Dropping in 3, 2, I hate doing this, 1.
There it is.
If that happened on the S10, could be lights out. Let's check the damage. A little bit of scuffing there. That was impact point. Screen is perfectly flawless.
I'm adding another step to this, and this is the drop from the top. Because there's a camera here now that might change things. I'm curious to see. So waist height, top down, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. So that one went a little forward.
That didn't sound good.
Still okay. There's a nice healthy gouge right there.
All right, so top down on the iPhone XS Max. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Good drop. You're good at this stuff.
Bowling. You're good at this stuff.
It's like you do this.
All right, any damage? At the top. I mean, you guys know how this is going to be.
Yeah.
We need to actually do some tests.
Okay, so I say back now. This is going to be a little more scary. You've got a larger camera lens. On this one, this protrudes more. Very bulging.
Not as bad as it used to be.
Waist height in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, geez. Oh!
That's gonna be broken for sure. Oh!
Whoa.
The ridge sticks out just barely, and that captured the fall first. Yeah. Very cool. Thank you, Samsung.
And that's green, but looks blue.
Cool. So, seal of approval for S10. Let's see what you got.
Back first.
Yeah. 3,
2, 1.
Okay.
And also, clean impact point. Need sapphire camera.
Okay, so they're tied.
No problems.
No winners yet. But of course, one has to break. Which one is it going to be here? 3, 2, 1. Woo! And wow. That's
it. That's it.
Baby, that is it.
And that's a pretty big problem if you don't have a case. We'll be making a video later. Because of the curved edges, I mean, you can see it right there. If your phone lands face first, glass first, dude.
It is so important to have a case on this phone.
Would the screen protector have saved it?
No. That little thin one, no way. That was not even a glass one.
Just the distribution of weight there. It landed there first, spiders are
It's bad too. It went everywhere.
Does it cut your fingers?
It doesn't. So that's the one thing about Gorilla Glass I always appreciate is you can run your finger on it, use the phone just the same way, and nothing really changes.
But we are not liable if anything happens. We have to say it.
I'm disappointed, man. I expected, that was what? That's 3 feet right there. Like, not even. Then they said 15 drops.
Okay, this is the most important part. It's actually not working.
Oh.
That's really where this matters.
Will the fingerprint work once the screen is broken?
Dynamic duo.
Okay, so I guess at this point I'd like to see how bad can the screen get.
It's working. It's still working.
Thank goodness. How bad can we crack this and still have the fingerprint work? That's a challenge in itself.
Or will the iPhone XS Max crack?
Let's see.
Here we go. Dropping in 3, 2, 1.
Good drop. Nice little spin.
It's like a tech deck.
I love those. Hey, iPhone won this round, sadly. I was really rooting for the S10, just so you know. I wanted this thing to win.
I think we root for the new devices every year, man. It's gotta be how it is.
But honestly, they push the envelope, I think, too much. It's too thin. The glass is simply too thin. You can see how thin it is.
The higher up we go, if we hit some of the other edges, I think this phone's gonna be toast.
Okay, so from this point, I guess, like I said, let's see what kind of damage, what extent can this go to and still keep the fingerprint alive, and then the back too. So next step is head height. You know, we're obviously different heights. We'll try and match this up as much as possible.
Probably the second most popular way of dropping your phone.
Just so we know where we're at, hold it there. I'm gonna drop mine, and then you drop yours. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oof. Here we go.
Dropping in 3, 2, who am I kidding? I know this will work. 1.
Good drop, good drop.
Whoa, all right, let's put them side by side and see the damage.
Okay.
So I think it was cracked. It cracked there before, but it's starting to really come into the top center display.
It's spidering a bit more. Oh, somehow the back has not broken yet. We got a nasty gouge right there. iPhone somehow, like I don't know. Oh, no way.
We got it.
Oh.
It's so hard to see unless you get it at the right angle. Hope you're getting that. Okay, yeah, that's through the glass, not the LCD, for the record. And it started right there at impact. So not too much damage on the steel here, but
let me see.
Whew. So back is perfectly fine on both.
Okay, well.
That's a challenge accepted.
Here we go. Cool. This is back glass now. So again, Gorilla Glass 6. I don't know how this one has lasted this long. Let's push it to the edge, literally. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh my!
Without a doubt broken. All
right. What do you think?
$5.
Done.
There we go.
I don't think it's broken.
All right, $5 if that doesn't break. Let's go.
Fair enough. All right, dropping in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, nasty fall.
Now we have more cracks on the front. Then we'll check. Oh yeah! Woo! I won that bet. So looking at the front of the iPhone XS Max here, you can tell that it's cracked a little bit more, and then on the back, it's still perfectly fine.
Wow.
Further impact though on the steel.
The glass here actually got scuffs on it. That's what I'm so confused about. Why would the front break so easily, and it's a thicker glass? No, it's still working, still good.
But it's glitching, and you have to
It definitely
power
is.
off.
It definitely is. Okay, it's taking the destruction even further. Let's just break this thing all the way. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, a triple. In 3, 2, I feel pretty good. 1. Oh, that one. Oh.
Honestly, I think that deserves a redo.
A redrop. 3, 2, 1. That is how we do it.
Ooh. Oh, we got. This did happen.
Good observation.
We just broke the back. Didn't even realize.
Finally got the back to break.
Okay.
Crack at the top, and then on the front. That's gonna do it.
That's gonna do it.
But compared to the S10 Plus, which cracked first,
ooh, you got some major lacerations.
But can you use both? Let's find out.
No match.
Face ID works. Surprisingly, though, there are cracks.
Ooh, looks like fingerprint sensor is busted.
Ooh.
I can't get into the phone anymore.
The good news is, though, you can use your Galaxy Buds to make you feel better.
Oh, okay, I got it to work. It's very erratic and it doesn't like to work. but somehow still hanging in there, lagging.
So it's not that accurate with the cracks.
Definitely, and that's why screen protectors, even on these, there's only certain ones that will work.
You're probably gonna need a case.
For sure.
And a screen protector.
For sure. All right, it's your boy, Everything Apple. Pray for these phones because we're about to destroy them. And Machine Gun Keaton, let's go overboard. Let's destroy these bad boys. I don't know how the backs have survived, but another head height. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's gotta do it. I think that's got it.
Pray for this phone. 3, 2, 1.
Let's see what we got.
Oh man, geez.
Kill shot.
Boom, and on the back.
So I would say the S10 is not as durable as the iPhone XS Max from our initial tests. This screen, the front one, broke way too fast. And another factor in this is that the fingerprint sensor becomes way too difficult to use. Like you literally, it doesn't work anymore. The accuracy gets lost. And I have to scan it. Now it's not even working at all.
Face ID still works for me.
So this is what we're seeing with the camera test. This camera may look okay, but we can't tell because this display is all obscured. That one's foggy because
Dude, is that a new lens or a filter on Snap?
All in all, the iPhone is truly the survivor here. You can use a phone as a normal phone without having to compromise with this garbage on your display. So Samsung, great try, but I expected more from the Gorilla Glass 6, honestly.
I mean,
no
I
hate,
expected more
no
from
hate.
this video, so let's do a few more tests.
Let's just destroy the crap out of these.
course.
What does it take to completely stop the fingerprint sensor from working?
And Face ID.
10-foot drop, bringing you over the ladder. All right, here we go, baby. This is the kill shot, so pretty much as high as I can go. 10 feet, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Whoa, it still works.
Okay, I think we can erase the doubt that the fingerprint sensor won't work because now your screen doesn't work at all.
Well, sort of does.
Yeah, that's
a big repair, and I'm honestly curious to see how much it costs right out of the gate to get one of these fixed.
It's not even worth fixing, period.
You have to buy a new one, basically.
No way.
And now the iPhone XS Max. 3, 2, 1. Not a face one. Can you give me that again? We're doing a redrop. Oh, baby!
Man, I think
don't need a redrop.
Honestly, these have had enough. We've put them through too much.
Gee, does it still work? iPhone still is the clear winner.
Yeah,
And
hands down. Like, if you're gonna beat these things up completely, the iPhone will, at the end of the day, yeah, still work. So thanks for watching, guys. Just want to say, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Keaton, for coming all the way here.
Make sure to check out the playlist link down in the description and up in the iCard for all the S10 videos we're doing this week. We got a water test, Eco ATM, everything you guys know us for, we're teaming up to do. So that's it for this one. We'll catch you guys next time.
Peace out, guys.
RIP.
Oh. Yeah.